So the first method of doing the schema update for Lync 2013 is just to use the Lync 2013 installation media and the deployment wizard. You need to meet all the prereqs. The machine needs to be a domain member. It needs to be running a 64-bit 2008 SP1 or above. You need .NET 4.5 installed. You need PowerShell 3. And you also need the Active Directory remote management tool. So I've got all those installed. So let's run through the process of using the wizard. So it's very simple to do. If you fire up the DVD, I've already attached it to this machine, so it's there. The first thing it's going to do is ask us to install Visual C++. So let's let that run. It'll only take a moment. Go. It's now asking where it wants to put the Lync deployment tool. So you can accept the defaults, just click install, accept the license agreement, and then let that run. Here we are at the Lync 2013 deployment wizard. You'll see at the top the very first option, which is prepare Active Directory. So select that option there. And there we go. You can see that now we've got the option to prepare the schema. If any of the prereqs are missing, say for example you don't have the remote admin tools, for example, it will actually pop up and say that it can't do the schema update because the prereqs haven't been met. It'll also tell you what the prereqs are, which is schema admin's credentials, schema master is available and accessible, and the modification registry or the remote registry is active on the schema master. So what we'll do is we'll select run and we'll run through the process. There we go. It's once per forest for deployment, because there's only one schema. So we'll let that run, just takes a few minutes. that's finished. Now if you want to have a look at the output, you'll see in the command formats here, what you can do is copy them out to Notepad. What I'm going to do is just turn word wrap on, and then you should be able to see in there where the report for the schema update has gone. So the log file is in our temp directory. And there it is. Shows that it's run a success. If you expand, you'll be able to see exactly what it's done. Okay, so that's how you do it with the installation media. What we'll do now is have a look at some of the other methods to get the schema update on. In fact, if you have a look in the logs, for example, you'll see that it actually tells you some of the other options as well. So yeah, let's cut back. We'll go to some of the other methods.